Hello everybody, how you guys been doing, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can open Messenger chat heads on your phone. And if it is not working, then you are at the right video. I'll be showing you guys how you guys can fix it. But before that, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide for future videos like this. Alright, now let's move on with today's video. First step, this is what Messenger chat head looks like. Like if somebody messages it, it's gonna pop out at the side of your screen. And remember, this feature is only available for Android, so all you iOS and Apple user, it's not available for you, and there's nothing you can do until they roll out a feature for you. Alright, so this is for Android user only. So you can click on it and your message is gonna open up like this. But let's say you're not receiving this thing. What you can do is, first step, go on your Play Store, and on your Play Store what you want to do is, at the top of your Play Store, you want to search for Messenger. After you search for Messenger, you can click on update. What this is going to do is, this is going to update your Messenger. Alright, and after updating your Messenger is going to be up to the latest version and it should be working. Alright, and if it's still not working, then what you can do is, you can go on Messenger, and what you can do is, on our Messenger you can click on your profile picture at the top right corner, and over here you can scroll a bit down and make sure your chat heads over here is turned on. If it is turned off, then you're not going to receive it, so make sure it's turned on. And after turning it on, it should be fixed. And even after turning it on, if it's still not fixed, hold on your Messenger icon, click on app info, and over here go on permissions and make sure all of the permission over here is turned on. Some of mine is off, so I'm going to turn it on real quick. So just like this, make sure it's all turned on. Now try to open your Messenger, it should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, hold on your Messenger, go on app info, go on storage, click on clear cache. After doing that, try to open your Messenger chat head should open up. And if you don't know how to manually open a chat heads, you should do it like this. Go on Messenger and go on a random chat. So I'm going to go on this one and click on the eye at the top, and click on the three dot at the top and click on open chat head, and your chat head should open up over here like this. That's how you guys can manually open it. And even after clearing your cache, if it still doesn't comes up, just hold on your Messenger, click on app info and go on storage again. This time you want to click on clear data, click on OK. Now once you do that, all of your Messenger's data should be cleared, and once you open Messenger you have to relog in into your account again, but after you relog in into your account it should be fixed. But if it's still not fixed, just delete your Messenger, reinstall it again, and it should work. So that's how you guys can fix this problem. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.